Hello guys, welcome back to SRK Photoworks YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add any clothes or how you can convert your normal photo into formal attire photo in just one click by using AI. First, this AI is totally free, and second, it's very easy to use this AI. All you have to do is just select your photo and the garment photo you have to apply on your body, and AI will generate your photo in just one click. So watch the video till the end. Let's start. First, turn on the mobile data and then open Google, Chrome or any browser you have. I'm opening Google app. Okay, now next step, click on search bar and type HUGGING, Hugging Face AI, and click on search. You will see this interface. Now click on first search result. Now you will see this interface. Now just scroll down and click on Colors Virtual Try On, this option. Okay, now just scroll down. Okay, so you can see in left corner has been written person image. It means here you have to upload your image. Okay, scroll down and in left corner has been written garment image. Here you have to choose clothes from here, or you can upload any cloth from your gallery. Okay, so first in person image we will select our photo. We'll open our photo. To open a photo, just click on drop image here and just select your picture. Okay, so first I uploaded my photo. Now I will choose garment from here, or you can choose garment photo from your gallery. Okay, so I want formal attire photo, that's why I am choosing this photo. Okay, just click on that photo. Okay, so person image, in person image I have uploaded my photo, and in garment image I have uploaded cloth photo. Okay, now next scroll down and just click on run. It will show this warning. Don't worry, just go down, scroll down, and you can see AI started working on it. Just wait for a few seconds. If you want more tricks like this, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel SRK Photoworks for more photo editing tricks. By the way guys, if you haven't watched our these videos, then please do check out. It is similar like this, and here is our final result. You can see it looks perfect. You can see before one, and after we selecting this garment, this is our result. And to download the picture, just click on download symbol, which is at right corner. Just press on it, click on download. You can see it matched perfectly.